Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our multiplication game and we're gonna make it even better. We're gonna do so that a person can either choose multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and all of the buttons will be all over here and they can just click and choose. So okay guys, let's go to our Visual Studio Code. Yes, let's start a new chat so it will be more easier. So okay guys, now let me write to it. This is a multiplication game dot. I want to expand it and let the user choose some subtraction dot multiplication and division. At the start you can have the first option selected by default. Yep. They would like to write the option must show at the top above the game. Yep. Window. Let's write also game window. Then we'd like to write the user can change the option at any time and you should keep the score and past answers when options are changed. Okay, let's send it in. It's working. It's changing. First of all, index.html. Yes, keep. Open, click. Also to script.js2. It's working on it. Keep. Have to click keep. Yes, yes. Let's look how it looks first of all. Wait a minute. Guys, let me open it up. Where is it? Here it is. Oh, it created a little bad, but it created on the side of it, but okay. Then let's come over here and write yes, please do the changes to the JavaScript file whenever user changes the option, generate a new operation with new option. Okay, let's send it. Well guys, let's just check it. For example, if I click multiplication, if I click division, it gives division. If I click subtraction, it gives subtraction question. Yep guys, it is truly good, but I would like to the buttons look like real buttons, because they don't look like real buttons. Like I want them to be bigger. Then I can write make the radio buttons for the options to look like normal buttons. Use blue background and white text. Let's send it in. So you see guys, GitHub Copilot is a really good AI. Instead of every time going to Gemini, Cloud AI or ChatGPT, it's just creating all the changes in one time. And it even shows that it will add 30 things, but minus 0. Okay, we gotta click keep and stuff. Keep. Yes. Okay guys, so let's check it up. Oh, you see guys, it is good. Okay, for example, I wanna do sum 13. Send in, nice work. 19, nice work. For example, I wanna do multiplication 55, nice work. Division, I don't know, let's write incorrect 8. You see, try again, next question. So okay guys, this is all for this video. See you next one. Bye bye.